don't even know if to tell her this still. Isn't it?
Hey Natural Beauties, welcome back to another video. Thanks so much for watching. This video is going to be all about this bob cut box braid type hairstyle. Very 90s inspired. For this video I did pre-prepare my hair. I braided these myself before I crocheted them in. That did take some time, and you guys will say, oh god, where you get time from to do them somebody? Goody, I have time, I have little time. So yeah, if it's something that you guys are not really interested in doing, they do actually sell these pre-braided already. I know some places in Portmore and Halfway sell it. I will try to find out where exactly sells the box braids already braided, and I will leave that in the description bar. So just click the show more section to see all that information. An innovative way to put the box braids in without sitting in a chair for hours upon hours. You can get this done within an hour. The front here is actually braided, so they call this the invisible method, I think. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically all I'm going to show you guys today. And I did get a couple new makeup products, so I am going to also throw in this makeup look. You guys know I love giving you guys two-part tutorials, so this is going to be a hair and makeup video. I got the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1s. These have been out for a bit, but I just got them, so I did try them out in this video. So I'm just going to also tell you guys what I feel about that. And I also got a couple of their more metallic lip creams, and I'm also going to tell you guys how I feel about that as well. This is going to be a really quick video because the style was really quick, but I just wanted to switch it up a little bit. So I hope you guys like it. If you do, let me know by giving the video a thumbs up, and also if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. That way you do not miss any more videos, boo. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just get into this video. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.
I don't even know if to tell her this still. Isn't it?
As I mentioned, I did pre-prepare my hair. Today I'm using the Nappy Anny braiding hair in the color number 27. I ended up using 4.5 packs. I pre-braided 4 packs, cut it into 3 equal lengths, and braided it up. And now I'm just making sure that it's neat for the installation. So I trimmed them, and I'm also burning them with a lighter just to make sure that they're neat before we go ahead and install them. Alright, so this is basically installed the same way any crochet braid style is installed, with a crochet needle with the latch hook. You basically push it through and loop the hair through and secure it. Very simple. The real trick is really getting everywhere to be equal and getting the hair to look uniformed all throughout. So the challenge really is around the back of your head. And for that part, I do recommend that you start with a simple braiding pattern before you start to install the hair, and don't pack all the hair around the back because you need it to be fuller at the top of your head. So do most of the packing toward the crown area of your head, that way you don't run out of hair. So now I'm just taking the other pack of hair that I had, and I'm just cutting it into 3 lengths so that I can braid my leave out, taking small sections and securing the rest of it out of the way. And here you guys can see me feathering the hair. This is so that it doesn't have blunt ends, and I'm just basically just braiding that onto my own hair, and I'm just going to braid all of the section of my leave out. You really want to braid past the length of your own hair so that you don't end up cutting any of your hair off or burning your own hair. Once all of the hair is braided up, I'm just going to do what I did with the pre-prepared hair, which is just to burn the ends to seal them. This way it's going to be nice and neat and it doesn't unravel. Now for it to have that bob bump, I'm just using my flat iron to bump the hair under, because the ends, because they were burnt, they didn't really bump under readily. But that's basically all I do, just take my flat iron and bump it under. So now that we're done, the parting looks nice and realistic, and this is how the back looks. It's nice and full. As I said, don't pack the hair all in one place. Try to pack most of it to the top. But yeah, this is basically how the style looks, and now we're ready to move on to the makeup. So starting off with brows today, I'm going in with the brow tint pen from Milani. This is a nice felt tip pen, makes it really easy to fill in your eyebrows. The formula is kind of liquidy, but at the same time it's a little creamy, and it really gives a really nice light fill, and the leverage it gives when you're creating your arch, absolutely perfect. So I'm just using that to define my brows, and of course, as always, you want to go in and just blend out your product to make sure that it looks nice and natural. And I'm cleaning up, of course, with a concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I've been loving to clean up my brows this way, which is just applying the product directly onto the skin and then blending it out. I love doing it that way now. It really just gives it a really nice, clean, sharp finish. Absolutely in love. So I'm just gonna blend that out until it looks nice and natural. Then today I'm taking these foundations from Milani. As I mentioned, they're these new 2-in-1s, fairly new as I said. I'm going in with 2 shades. For my base, I'm using number 14, which is Golden Toffee. I think that's what it's called. All products will be listed in the description bar, guys. But I love the formula of these foundations. Very smooth. It looks a lot like skin. It's a medium to full coverage, so it's definitely buildable. So I'm in love with them so far. I'm going to use the lighter shade, which is Amber. It's number 11. I'm going to use that one to highlight. Love it as a highlighter. It has the perfect amount of yellow undertone in it. It's not too much. So I'm just applying that with my large blending brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to blend that out with the brush that I use to apply my foundation, which is the e.l.f. powder brush. Once you've blended out your highlight, you want to go ahead and set that in place. And I'm taking this multitasker face powder from Milani. I'm taking that onto a beauty blender, and I'm just using that to set the highlighted areas. Guys, I've been finding some new techniques that just absolutely work, and this is definitely one of them. Using a pressed powder to set your highlights, amazing, guys, totally amazing. So I'm just setting that into place, and then I'm going to prime my lids with the same concealer that I used for my eyebrows, just to act as a base for my eyeshadows today. Now for the first color, I'm going in with just this reddish brown transition. This is Earth Glow from Milani, and I'm just lightly building that up in my crease. Then today I'm going to be using this palette. This is the ready to wear palette from Milani, a very old palette, and I'm just wetting my eyeshadow brush and picking up the lightest gold in that palette, and I'm applying that all over my lid. Then I'm going to go into the outer part of my eye and take the darker brown from the palette and pack that on, and I'm going to smoke that into my crease for a nice simple smoky eye. Now I'm just lining my waterline with this Jordana Smoky eyeliner. Perfect. It's really smooth. I absolutely love it. Then I'm going to take this blush here for a pop of color, and I'm just going to put that into my crease with this Coastal Scents brush. And this blush is by Milani. It's called Bella Rose. It's number 11. And I'm just highlighting my brow bone with the champagne color from the same palette, and I'm just blending all the colors together with a smooth, clean blending brush. Now I'm setting my face with this pressed powder, also by Milani, and this color is called Ginger. As you guys can see, my highlight has already been absorbed into my skin, so this just gives everything a really nice flawless finish. Now I'm lightly powder contouring with Earth Glow, just sweeping that on the sides of my cheeks. Did not want to go overboard with the contour because I am going to be going in with that blush that I used in my crease, and I'm going to apply that to my cheeks just for some color on the face. Now I'm going to be sweeping my fan brush into all the golds in that palette to create a highlighter. It did work. Love how it came out. It wasn't too much, but I still had a nice glow. And then after highlighting, I'm going to move on to my lips, and I'm taking the more metallic lip cream from Milani. This color is called Dramatic Diva. It's color number 5, and I love the formula. Very smooth and creamy. The only thing I wish is that it dried a little bit faster, but that's a minor thing. The colors are very pigmented, and I thought this was a little too pink for me, so I did go in with another color. This color is called Automatic Diva. No, Automatic Touch. And I just applied that on top. And here's the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it. Very fleeky, very colorful. Everything is colorful from the hair to the makeup. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Follow my Instagram and my Facebook. Check out the description bar for all the other details, and until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.
And as you see clear, me no beg ya, girl. Tell me, say me never make you feel less, unfortunate. Tell me, say me love you until death. And as you see clear, me